Welcome back. This is a short one, and we've covered most of this information. However, the FAA has identified this as a unique and separate study point. Air traffic control is an airport with an active control tower. They are there to prevent aircraft collisions. They are also there to help organize and expedite the flow of traffic. All right, so you know about air traffic control with an operating control tower. What about airports without an operating control tower? How do you communicate? Communicate with an FSS, communicate with a Unicom operator, or a self-announced broadcast. Announce your intentions at least 10 nautical miles inbound. The National Airspace System is the common network of United States airspace, which includes air navigation facilities, equipment and services, airports or landing areas, and also aeronautical charts, information and services, rules, regulations, and procedures, and also technical information.